Right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a fucking best update out of the fucking lot. It's the climax. This is the climax out of everything. Yes, I've just picked that fag up and sparked it again because there's a little bit left and I wanted a couple more drags. But, right. Big man has done exactly what I said he was going to do. He's chilling on the San Miguel can. He's come to the place he belongs. I am in fucking awe of this shit right here. Look, big man ting there, you get me. And right here, right now, he's become my friend. And what me and him are gonna do is this is risky business as well because he's there and the lid is there. But I'm gonna have a swig of this right now. Yeah, that's the best swig of beer I've ever had in my life. Big man ting.